Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV12 is flashing red and refusing to start, you're not alone. This issue typically indicates a problem with the battery or internal components that may have failed. If left unattended, it could lead to further damage, making repairs more complex and costly. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement battery, and a soft cloth for cleaning any dust or debris. First, ensure the vacuum is unplugged and placed on a flat surface. Carefully use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel of the vacuum. Be gentle to avoid stripping any screws. Once the screws are out, use the flathead screwdriver to gently pry the back panel off. Next, locate the battery compartment, which is usually situated at the bottom of the device. You will see the battery connected with wires. Carefully disconnect these wires, ensuring you remember where each one connects. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After disconnecting the wires, gently pull the old battery out. Take your replacement battery and insert it into the compartment, making sure it fits snugly. Reconnect the wires, ensuring they are firmly attached and in the correct configuration. Before closing the back panel, take a moment to clean any dust or debris around the area to ensure optimal performance. Now, carefully align the back panel and press it into place. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently but firmly. Once everything is back together, plug in your vacuum and switch it on. The red light should be gone, and your Dyson SV12 should be back to its normal working order. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check your vacuum's battery health and clean the filters as needed. Additionally, avoid overcharging the vacuum, as this can reduce the battery's lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.